The science passage has a lot of information in it in these passages that you do not need to know for most of the questions. So what we recommend is that you go straight to the questions, read them, find the key terms in them, and let them guide you where to look in the data. Let me show you what I mean. Number 13. The percent of Earth's surface covered by high clouds in January 1987 was closest to which of the following, and we get a bunch of percentages. So we want a percent of the surface covered by high clouds in January of 1987. I did not exist yet at that point. Brendan, go ahead and take us back. Okay, let's see. Brendan, can you actually make us go down a little bit? So there are 3 different graphs on this passage, and they all look very similar in what they have on the bottom. It's all years, and every single line represents January of that year. We've got the same 2 lines. We've got RCRF, the solid line, then monthly average cover of clouds, the dotted line. The difference between them, if you look at this label on the y-axis, this is monthly average cover of high clouds. Over here, this is low, and then way up there is medium. The question asked us for high clouds. This is the graph we want to look at. So the percent of the surface of the Earth that's covered, well, I'm going to guess that's monthly average cover of clouds and not RCRF. But let's just make sure. I don't know what RCRF means. Let's make sure they don't expect you to know something weird like that. They're going to always give you the definition. Brendan, let's bump us up. Fantastic. RCRF. Let's see where we can find that. RCRF right here. Let's see. The relative cosmic ray flux. That's RCRF. Okay, that sounds very spacey, and it's not what we're asking about. We're just asking about cloud cover. So I know it's not going to be that. Let's go back. Thank you, Brendan. Okay, so what we're looking at is this graph. We want to look at the dotted line. That's monthly average cover of clouds for January of 1987. So each of these lines represents a year. This is 85. This is 86. This is 87 right here. So this is the right year to look at. Let's find the y value of the dotted line. So we go up. It's right around here. Now remember, here's the kicker. We're going to go to the left side because that is the y-axis that pertains to the dotted line. And if we go straight to the left, apologize if it's not the most straight line you've ever seen. It's my best. 13.5. Let's see if that is an answer. Let's see. All right, 13.5%. That is an answer. Okay, so again, I don't really need to know what's going on yet to be able to answer this question. It's just about picking out those important words that let you figure out where you want to go.